Hi guys, Arthur Tracy Schultz here. Today I would like you to try and use these sight words in sentences: place, funny, good, watcher, and see. Today we will be visiting the Atlanta Botanical Garden. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go! This is such a beautiful water fountain, right? Do you guys recognize this character? Which book is she from? If you guessed Alice in Wonderland, you were correct. Now let's take a look at these flowers I captured. They're all from flowering trees. They're beautiful. Now let's see this amazing sight. It's quite peaceful. What do you think of when you see this amazing sculpture? Now let's take a look inside a conservatory. Do you recognize any of these plants? It's quite beautiful in here. Everything is so lush and so green. Do you know what type of nut or fruit that is growing on this tree? Well, that's just silly. It looks like a lazy frog. Let's see some real frogs now. How about that one? Look at this one. Look, he's sleeping. His eyes are closed. He's camouflaging so well. Oh, what about these gold frogs? They're so pretty. And here's another one. It's like a bluish purple color with spots on it. This one looks like he's made of tree bark. Just made of twigs, it looks like. Let's go take a look at some more of the flowering trees outside. As you see, today is a pretty nice sunny day. It's about 60 degrees outside. Well, this is pretty cool. It's a birdhouse. And here's another one. Well, this is a nice little bridge. Look at this huge butterfly. I'm just walking over a bridge now. You know what I really enjoy? I really enjoy cactus plants. They're so fascinating to me. So how about you join me to come and look at some cactuses? Time to see the cactus plants now. This has got to be one of the tallest cactus plants I have ever stood next to. It's pretty amazing. Let's take our time to look at a few more. I wonder which one is your favorite. Or do you have a favorite? Do you know which cactus plant this is? If you guess aloe vera, you're correct. Well, let's just take a quick look at a few more. They're all so wonderful. I hope you guys enjoyed that walk with me today. If so, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.